Besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I am going to go over the navy on navy collection and also the navy bicolor collection that's coming out here soon. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Okay, besties, before we get started, I want to honestly just say thank you. Thank you to each and every one of you that took the time to go to my website and order a Boss Bagging hoodie. I absolutely felt the love. It was so overwhelming. So thank you guys for the continued support. I will try to get those shipped out ASAP to you. Okay, so thank you. I really appreciate you guys. And also, I want to welcome all of my new subbies. I've been noticing you guys have been reaching out to me on Instagram. Thank you for being here. Either you are already a handbag addict or you are getting ready to turn into one. But either way, welcome to the community. We love you over here. Join us, okay? I am in a different space in my closet because you guys see I do have props out. I am going to try to go into detail as much as possible, okay? Let's get started. This is not a part of the navy on navy collection. This is a handbag that I wanted to show you guys last week. I tried to wait to see if I could get more information like name, product code number, but I was not able to retrieve that information. But if you are interested, I will try to go over and beyond to get the information for you, okay? So this beautiful monogram and vachetta piece, of course, guys, you can tell that it's hard canvas. It's a hard trunk. Basically just designed very beautifully. I absolutely love it. Anything that's hard canvas, like the design of a trunk, you guys know is going to be expensive. We know this. I love that it is treated vachetta. I still say spray with apple guard just to protect your vachetta as much as possible. Beautiful crossbody handbag. I'm not sure how much we can fit inside of this, but I love it. I really do. I'm just not a fan of paying all of that money for a handbag that I'm honestly not going to use every day. So again, I don't have a name, product code number, or how much. I just wanted to show you guys a picture. It's still very early. And once I receive more information, you guys know I'm going to come back and share. So let me know if you are interested in the comments in something like this, okay? Okay, so let's move on. We are going to start with the navy on navy collection. Guys, the pictures that I have, they absolutely suck. I tried to wait to go over this so I can get better pictures, but hey, we are just going to go by what I have and try to make the best of it. So, starting off, navy on navy is going to be a Neverfull MM. Let's go over that first. And I have... You guys know I go into detail. It's going to be just like this, guys, okay? Just picture the black on-front leather, Neverfull. If you have this in your collection, just picture it being a navy color. The inside is navy, okay? So just picture it being this color being on the outside. I just wanted just to show and demonstrate. It's also going to come with a pochette, just like this, meaning we are going to be able to convert. I showed you guys this in a past video multiple times, how we can convert this pochette into a crossbody. So the Neverfull in navy, okay, navy on navy is going to come in on front leather. And it's the navy like this, guys, okay? You guys know what color navy is. I'm just trying to give you examples and go into details. Navy, okay? The color navy. Neverfull on front leather, okay? It's also going to come out in a carry all, okay? The PM and also MM. Guys, get ready. Just like the mini bum bags, we are going to start seeing a lot of the carry-all handbags in leather coming out. So we are getting it in navy on navy as well. I think that is going to be very, very beautiful. I'm not a real big of the carry-all handbag because of the I don't like the tie strap. Okay, that's on there, how they tie the handbag up. I'm just not a fan of that strap. Now, if it was a zipper closure, hey, I'm all in for it. But that tie strap, to me, it just seems so irritating. And I honestly tried the carry-all in monogram canvas and I sent it back. Not a fan, okay? We are also getting a pochette matisse. So if you are a fan of the pochette matisse, but you're not a fan of the canvas, it's coming out in this beautiful navy color. Wow. It's coming out. And I do have a product code number for that. Let me get that and share it with you. It is M47142. Okay? So that is for the pochette matisse. The navy on navy. Absolutely stunning. Okay, so we have the Neverfull MM that's coming out. I'm not sure if we are receiving other sizes, okay? So far, for sure, past production, the Neverfull MM in navy. The carry-all in both sizes, okay? Navy on navy. The pochette matisse, okay? Not the East-West. I thought it was going to be the East-West, but it's the regular pochette matisse that's coming out in the emprunt leather in navy on navy. Guys, it could still be more handbags. I'm only giving the information that I know as of right now. And of course, guys, they are going to release a beautiful Speedy in the navy on navy. Once I get the picture, I will be sure to share with you, okay? Moving forward, let's speak on this beautiful navy bicolor collection. I am such a fan of this. I'm a big fan of navy, the color navy anyway, okay? So first and foremost, let's go over this that I'm super excited about. Speedy 25 bandolier. I wouldn't mind even seeing a Speedy 30 in the navy bicolor. I know that's not going to happen. I'm making my own self happy, but this is going to be a navy bicolor. Very beautiful. Speedy 25 bandolier. Of course, I have to show you an example. I have the beautiful black and cream bicolor, and I absolutely love this. No, I don't use it, but I love looking at it, and so that works for me, okay? So just picture this being the navy and the beautiful cream. We are going to receive a navy bicolor in the Speedy 25 bandolier. So if you are a fan of the bicolor collection, that navy is going to be most definitely a wow collection. I'm honestly looking forward to the bicolor more than the navy on navy. I just think the bicolor in the navy is going to just wow us. But hey, you guys know things can change once we see it in person. You'll never know. The next is the Diane handbag. This honestly surprised me. Not that it's coming out in the bicolor. What surprised me, guys, if you look very close, they have a bandolier strap on it, okay? A bandolier strap. Do you guys see it? A bandolier strap on the Diane handbag. That is such a plus, guys. If you get your hands on any bandolier in bicolor, guys, you fall in love. I'm telling you, this is honestly, after my reverse monogram bandolier strap, this is my second favorite strap in my collection. I absolutely love it, and it's coming out on the Diane handbag. Big plus. And also, it's coming out, of course, the on-the-go tote MM. I have the bicolor in black. On-the-go tote MM is going to be exactly the same, just different colors. I don't know what the inside interior is going to look like, guys, okay? Again, this is so early, but once I get information, I will be sure to share. But my thing is, if you get 2 handbags from this collection, meaning if you get the Diane handbag and you are blessed to get that beautiful bandolier strap, you can honestly use this strap. And if you purchase the on-the-go tote, guys, you can use this strap on here. You can use it on here. You can use it for decor if you want. I love adding it. Or you can just have it over your shoulder. Okay? Very, very beautiful. I love it so much. And it's just, to me, it's just perfect. It just adds so much flavor to the handbag. And no, it's not doing too much. It's perfect, okay? You can even add this to the Speedy. So I'm just hoping that they add the bandolier strap as an additional option for us to go and just purchase on the website if we are not interested in the Diane handbag at this time, okay? So guys, so far what we have in the navy on navy, we have the Carry All PM. We have the Never Full MM. A lot of you guys, I know you already hit me in my DMs and told me you were waiting on it. We've honestly been waiting a while on that navy, okay? And then we also have the beautiful Pochette Matisse. I think that is going to be hot as well, because I don't have any leather Pochette Matisse in my collection, but I'm honestly looking at the Pochette Matisse from the navy on navy. I am. Also, the navy bicolor collection. We have the Speedy 25 bandolier. We have the on-the-go tote bicolor as well in the MM size and the Diane handbag. Now, how I ended up with both of these, honestly, is because I couldn't make up my mind which handbag design I wanted. So I went and purchased both, and I'm going to let you guys know I still have not used this at all. I honestly prefer the on-the-go tote in the bicolor, but like I said, I fell in love once I went into the boutique and saw this. So please don't be like me. One bicolor from the bicolor collection, guys, will do. Please don't be like me. Be better, okay? And some of you guys, you're not going to listen anyway, and you're going to end up with both of them. Hey, do you? We're addicted together. So guys, let me know if you have any questions. I just wanted to get this video out. I do have more items to talk about that are coming out. Guys, we are also going to receive some Cousin handbags. I am going to go over that on Wednesday. And it's one Cousin, guys, that I've honestly had in my collection and I sold. But this Cousin that I'm going to show you in the salmon color has me second guessing how I feel about Cousin handbags. Very, very beautiful. When I say flawless, the color with the gold hardware, LV took their time with this handbag. So I am going to go over that on Wednesday. So if you are a fan of Cousin handbags and Capucine handbags, we are going to go over that on Wednesday. And also the Vanity PMs that are coming out in leather. Again, if you have any questions in regards to the navy on navy and also the navy bicolor, okay, don't forget we are getting a mini bum bag in the navy bicolor as well. That is going to be absolutely adorable. I showed you guys that on a past video. It's so many things from the navy bicolor collection, guys, that we have to pick out of. And even the SLGs, we are going to be receiving some SLGs in the navy on navy and also the navy bicolor. This is going to be a hot collection. And guys, I heard they are going to be released at the same time. So LV's not giving us a chance to breathe. They're not giving us a chance to purchase, take a break, and go back. They are slamming it in our face. We have to make a decision. Either we are team navy on navy or we are team navy bicolor. And as of right now, I am navy bicolor because I just love the bicolor collection and I love different. I want something that's going to stand out. I know you guys are all for, and this isn't quiet luxury to me because I still can see the LV bang, bam. And even on the navy, guys, we are going to see it as well. So it's not quiet luxury to me. You're not hiding. I see you. Okay. So guys, let me know how you feel. And again, if you are interested in the monogram heart trunk. I don't have a name for it. Let me know, and I will try, like I said, to try to search and get that information from a CA. Again, look out for more videos as far as the collection go on Wednesday. I am super excited about everything that's coming out, guys. We most definitely need to be working hard. Be working hard, guys. It's boss bagging season to try to get these handbags that we want, okay? But again, handbags will always be around. So let me know what you are interested in. Which team are you? Are you team Navy on Navy, or are you team Navy Bicolor? As always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye-bye.